kaulo na imora ili pasine inu engare ni kinti Papa Francis abubia na tupito ne President Jessica Alupo Eriamunos kede President loko South Sudan Salva Kiir korelo apugan na bune si sumunikina ayina kina na kwa puna Uganda imoro ka kesi waiti nilunya kuleta kirono ipuchumina alakara Alupo neja kwa puna South Sudan kanwa nyarari kesi ajai kinto masubana nude nerere nwa ipuch kobala ebe erasi nwa yuara ibore yeri lipi Uganda kodumu titungaluo South Sudan kiere.
His Excellency the President of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has walked all the miles together with the people and the government of South Sudan in pursuit of sustainable peace and security for South Sudan. In the African Union Security Committee, Uganda is a guarantor of the peace agreement of South Sudan. And therefore, it is a desire of Uganda to ensure and to encourage and to persuade the people and the government of South Sudan, together with all their friends and neighbors, to ensure that the peace agreement is implemented up to the latter for the good and the sustainability and the prosperity of the people of South Sudan.
Akwapuna nesi pui kristayono noi konye ejelo ejalo sta konye kangina neserailo etekirene neda munotori kwa naitunga be kede abunere na ngare no kulu apolo kulu kaidi ni akwapuna mina utiro itaono lokaitunga kosodete ajala kina kironu eje ra Uganda kwa apuna buogoi Eriamunos abu akwapuno South Sudan tolo mapugani na imor kikina ukari lukubinere keda kaisare neda aomitere aitananga kironu eje loero kilo sikwana akonye pa chaje kina President Yoweri Museveni Juba neda abuili pia ngare nula ngina aisingare ne ngare nonelo hapo lumerelu atiaka ajai Alupo toma ainapetanu kalingina ko South Sudan agoi kinite President Yoweri Museveni. Godfrey Ojore, TV East.